Good morning, sir. I will introduce myself. My name is Mumut Mutmainah. I am 23 years old. My date of birth 29 May 2001. I am single. I come from Bima Intb of Indonesia. My height 162 cm. My weight 50 kg. I have one brother and one sister, and I number one in family. I have experience before in Jakarta for years. My job is looking after Ahkong cannot work, cleaning the house and cooking. My last education junior high school, years 2016. I'm Muslim. I can handle pork but I cannot eat pork. I can speak English but still learning. I'm not afraid of dog. I can cook Indonesian simple food, nasi goreng, ayam goreng, telur balado, and sayur sop. I can cook Chinese simple food, steamed fish, steamed egg, vegetable soup, and fried rice. I want to go to Singapore because I need money for me and my family. I promise the honest will be good to my job. Thank you, ma'am.